How to get your ex-boyfriend to chase you. Wondering how to get your ex-boyfriend to chase you again? It's not about begging or playing games, it's about becoming someone he can't ignore. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Use these proven steps to spark his curiosity and reignite his desire. 1. Go silent, no contact rule. Stop all communication for a few weeks. This gives him space to feel your absence and miss your presence. Constant contact kills mystery, disappear to become desirable. 2. Focus on self-improvement. Use this time to level up, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Hit the gym, start new hobbies, dress confidently. Show him, and yourself, that you're glowing without him. 3. Be visible, but not obvious. Post content that shows your life is full and exciting, but avoid anything dramatic or aimed at him. Subtle confidence catches attention, desperation repels it. 4. Keep conversations light and cool. When he eventually reaches out, stay calm and friendly, but not overly eager. Show him you're happy, not hoping. Let him wonder where he stands. 5. Create a little distance, don't be too available. Let him initiate plans and conversations. A bit of mystery keeps him intrigued and motivated to chase. 6. Remind him of the good times, casually reference a funny memory or a great moment you shared, without getting emotional. This can rekindle warmth without pressure. 7. Let him lead. If he starts to pursue again, don't rush things. Let him take the lead. Respond with grace, not attachment. The goal is to inspire, not to chase him back. If you're serious about how to get your ex-boyfriend to chase you, start by shifting the focus back to you. When he sees the confident, glowing version of you, he'll want back in, on your terms. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.